Okay, time for some Christmas pork chops, a perfect little main dish, or a side if you so prefer. First, we need to make the rub. Half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of dried mustard, and a teaspoon of dried sage. Then you just want to give this a mix around till it's all well incorporated. And also realize that this bowl is way too small to do this in effectively. And then let's get ready for our pork chops. Oh, by the way, you should be preheating the grill for about medium heat. All right, time to season our chops. You just want to take handfuls of the rub and generously sprinkle it on the chops. Don't worry, a decent chunk's gonna fall off when you're actually grilling them and flipping them and all that other shit. So don't worry too much about over-seasoning these motherfuckers. Alrighty, as you can see, got our grill all fired up. Chops are on there. Now grab that bowl of seasoning mix. By the way, this seasoning mix works well with a lot of other stuff like hamburgers, chicken. It's a really good seasoning mix. It's not just content to pork. And then season the other side. Cook until they're 165, and then bring them in the house. Let them rest for a couple of minutes, and we'll be ready to serve. All right, see you at the next step. All righty, pork chops done. Gonna slice the son of a bitch on an angle. And, you know, this goes well with like stuffing or rice, mashed potatoes, mixed veggies, however you want to do it. And that's it. Christmas pork chop. Done. And then again, this is just decoration for serving. Serve it like this. Favorite side. So Christmas pork chops. Done.